Turning those epic long videos into snackable viral clips has genuinely never been this painless. If you are creating long-form content right now and skipping short-form repurposing, you are absolutely leaving serious reach on the table. I've discovered a tool that makes this whole process actually enjoyable, and I want to walk you through how I use it to transform hour-long videos into ready-to-post social clips in mere minutes. We'll cover the basics, the advanced tricks that make your clips really pop, and even how to schedule everything so you never have to babysit those posts again. Now, let's jump into step 1, which is simply uploading your long video content. It is super simple. You can just paste a YouTube link, drop an MP4 file, or easily import directly from your cloud storage. The system starts scanning immediately, analyzing the audio, finding high-energy moments, detecting audience reactions, and flagging all those potential viral bites. You seriously don't have to micromanage a single thing, because Vizard's auto-edit engine will highlight all the attention-grabbing segments and create short clips automatically for you. I tested this on a recent language tutorial, and in under a minute, it surfaced a bunch of golden moments, like the quick tips, a funny anecdote, and the exact second I reveal the most actionable prompt. If you only want the raw auto pics, just hit create. And Vizard instantly gives you a stack of clips in all the necessary aspect ratios, like 9:16 for Reels and 1:1 for the feed. However, the real power behind this whole system is in the layers of fine-tuned controls it gives you access to. Every single clip comes with a suggested trim, but you can easily tweak the in and out points, add a subtitle track, throw on a custom caption template, and swap the background music with just one click. They even provide AI-powered caption suggestions that sound like a human wrote them, offering short hooks, punchy CTAs, and platform-tailored hashtag recommendations. This process is incredibly fast, but it still leaves plenty of room for you to add your unique creative voice. One feature I absolutely love is the auto detect, specifically designed to gauge viral potential. The system ranks clips based on metrics like on-screen energy, distinct vocal peaks, and even moments where the audience clapped or laughed during live streams. It will literally tell you this one has high share potential, allowing you to prioritize exactly what gets posted first, saving you hours of pure guesswork every single time you sit down to plan your content calendar. Let's quickly compare this to some common alternatives, like that video-to-blog software that transforms your whole presentation into a written article. While that's super useful for extracting a long-form blog post, those tools alone fall short if your main goal is creating viral clips and a posting strategy. They output fantastic transcripts and blog summaries, but they absolutely do not automatically cut, format, and schedule the resulting video clips across all your social channels. With Vizard, you get the complete package, the intensive clip creation process, and the entire distribution workflow rolled into one. Moving on to step 2, let's look at how to customize your edit to perfection. Clicking into any clip opens a compact editor where you can do the standard trims, add a quick animation intro, resize for specific platforms, and select built-in caption styles optimized for retention. You have the ability to auto-generate subtitles in many different languages, and you can easily edit inline if the AI misses a word, though that hardly ever happens. There is also a fantastic feature that automatically crops right onto the most important visual subject if your initial wide shot needs a much tighter frame. This feature is an absolute clutch moment for any creator filming with a static camera who needs that perfect mobile-friendly framing. Here is a pro tip. Utilize the highlight toggle feature to easily mark specific sections you want to stitch together later. For example, if you have 3 fast points from 3 totally different sections, Vizard can sequence them into one single energetic clip that still feels cohesive and natural. This technique is incredibly great for a quick listicles or any top moments style content you want to create. Now for step 3, the part that turns this into an automated content machine, the auto schedule feature. This is the point where Vizard transitions from being just a fancy editor into a truly indispensable actual assistant. You simply set your desired posting frequency, whether that's daily or 3 times a week, and Vizard will automatically queue and publish those clips on your behalf. You even have the option to pick the optimal posting windows for each specific platform, or just let the AI choose times based on current engagement predictions. It handles all the tedious work, including captions, hashtag suggestions, and platform-specific tweaks, so every single post feels perfectly native and not like awkward cross-posting. For anyone who truly hates spreadsheets and content chaos, the built-in content calendar is going to be an absolute lifesaver. Here you can view all your upcoming scheduled posts, easily drag and drop clips to reorder them, add internal notes, or swap out any thumbnail. If you suddenly need to postpone a specific post, you just drag it over to a new date on the calendar. And if you decide something needs to go live immediately, a single click on Publish handles that too. It even syncs with your Google Calendar or your social accounts, centralizing all your management needs in one easy place. Just imagine not having to manually create posts every single morning. You do the creative work once, and the AI guarantees steady, reliable distribution. Now for some advanced features that genuinely matter, like the ability to auto-generate multiple thumbnail options, and then A/B test them against a small audience slice. It will also suggest specific trimming styles that have historically performed the best for your unique channel. Plus, it auto-detects copyright-safe music and intelligently adds volume ducking, ensuring your voice is always crystal clear. The batch edit mode is another massive time saver. Select 20 clips and apply the exact same caption template or CTA overlay in mere seconds. For any creator who is serious about scaling their content output, this feature is an absolute game changer. Another huge plus is that Vizard has built-in simple collaboration tools for your team. You can invite teammates, leave precise timestamp comments, approve or reject clips, and export a fully editorial-ready log. If you work with an external editor or a virtual assistant, this feature significantly reduces that endless back-and-forth Slack chaos. Export options are robust, offering direct publishing to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Twitter, or downloading organized MP4s with relevant file names. Okay, now we need to be completely real for a moment about the actual limits of this technology. The auto-editing is undeniably fast and often very impressive, but it is certainly not magic. Sometimes the AI selects a moment that just needs a tiny human nudge, like needing a fraction longer lead-in or a quick cut to remove an unwanted cough. Similarly, while caption generation is extremely reliable, those subtle brand voice nuances always benefit from a quick human review pass. You should really think of Vizard as a super efficient assistant, not a full replacement for your own thoughtful content strategy. When comparing costs, many cheaper tools only do one thing, like just transcribing or making blog posts, but they won't schedule or format for every platform. Conversely, other tools are prohibitively expensive and aimed only at big production studios, which is complete overkill for a solo creator or small team trying to grow. Vizard strikes that perfect sweet spot. It's powerful enough for professional workflows, yet remains friendly and affordable for indie creators, especially if monetization is your main goal. The integrated scheduling and analytics make it easier to test exactly which clips drive conversions or significant channel growth. To summarize my workflow very quickly, first, I upload the raw footage or simply paste that main YouTube link. Second, I let Vizard auto-detect the viral moments and generate between 15 and 30 candidate clips for me. Third, I scan the suggested captions and hashtag sets, selecting only my absolute top 6 best clips from the batch. Fourth, I do a quick pass to adjust any subtitles or tiny trims, perhaps swapping out just one background music track. Fifth, I use the batch edit to apply my consistent brand intro-outro and a uniform call to action overlay across all 6. Sixth, I auto-schedule those clips to go live across all my platforms over the coming 2 weeks. Finally, I monitor the content calendar and analytics, then immediately rerun this entire pipeline on my next long-form video. In just one focused session, you end up with consistent multi-platform content that looks like you spent an entire week creating it. To share a quick success story, I had one 45-minute stream that contained 2 undeniable breakout moments. Vizard instantly spotted those exact moments and produced 2 polished 30 to 45-second clips that achieved 3 to 5 times the engagement of my typical repurposed material. What would have easily taken me several frustrating hours to find and manually edit was done successfully in just minutes. When we look at exporting and analytics, once the posts are live, Vizard provides clear performance metrics broken down by clip and by platform. It shows you watch-through rates, overall engagement numbers, and even suggests specific optimizations, like shortening an intro by 1 second. You can export the data as CSVs for your own deep reports, or simply let the AI suggest follow-up clips based on what is currently working best to keep the momentum going. So my final thought is this: if you are making long-form content and want to truly scale your short-form presence without burning through hours every week, Vizard is an undeniably useful tool. It certainly isn't flawless, but the sheer speed, the robust scheduling, and the deep workflow integration are all massive wins. Compared to those niche tools that only create articles or only transcribe, Vizard closes the entire content loop. Clip creation, editing, captioning, scheduling, and analytics all in one cohesive platform. If you are feeling even a little bit curious, I highly recommend giving it a test run with one of your own recent videos. Just upload the file, let the AI analyze it, review those top picks, and schedule just a few posts to see the magic happen. You will genuinely be surprised at how much more consistent content you can publish without stretching your own time thin. If you found this entire walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and save this video right now for future reference, because I will be dropping more specific tips soon. I will catch you all in the very next video. Peace out.